guys, tazamento the of Nas Faith Nasdaq. Okay guys, for continuing, please like, subscribe, and hit notification bell so you can get notified once I upload again. Hey guys, today's video guys is gonna be mainly based on weekly market breakdown on Nasdaq and US30. You understand? Okay guys, before continuing, make sure to click the link on the description of this video to sign up with the best trade 245 guys. Okay guys, let's jump to the chart and see what is it that we have or what is it that the market is gonna actually react this week. You understand? So okay guys, I'm gonna start with US30. As you guys can see, this is US30 on my 1 week time frame. You understand? So yeah guys, on my 1 week time frame guys, we get to understand everything that is happening, that the market is actually respecting the overall structure. You understand? Because as you guys can see, remember I told you guys that the structure on this one guys, this is how it goes. If you can go and if you want to see how I actually look at the structure, just make sure you watch again the previous videos. As you guys can see, first touch, second touch, third touch there, double top. You understand? Then on this one we have we have a first touch here again. Then we had a second touch here. You understand? Then here the market is ready to give us a breakup, but in overall we get to understand the structure. The market was here, was here, it came here, it actually decided to come back again here, went there, given us a double top, come back here. Understand? So the chances of it now coming back again inside that too high. Understand? Because this is US30. Remember US30, something that you can't actually for now we can't really make it to reverse, but we need to go with what is it that is happening on it. Understand? So yeah guys, remember when I analyze guys, I start with my 1 week time frame and I'm gonna highlight my highest point, which is this point here. You understand? Then I'm gonna come from my current lowest point. So I told you guys that our current lowest point is actually this point. But looking at this current lowest point guys, we get to understand that the market is actually here to retest. So I feel like the market is actually here to retest and push to the top. You understand? Because the market come from above, as this is our current lowest point. So the market actually given us a breakout here, decided to push to the top. You understand? Come back to retest. So I feel like this point is actually for market to come back and retest. Understand? So then from there, remember, once I actually identify my highest point and current lowest point, I need to do what? I need to obviously identify my structure. So looking at this point guys, we need to understand that this is our structure here, remember, and this one here is a diagonal structure, which is a diagonal support. Then from there we need to come back for our zones. So looking at this point guys, remember here I feel like we have a zone. This current lowest point is actually a zone in some type of way, because remember what are zones? Zones are places when the market touches the market reverses. Understand? Then from there we need to identify these ones again. You understand? This is perfect guys, this is perfect. So yeah guys, again this is a zone, remember. Yeah, so once the market actually touches this point, the market has to act in some type of way, or the market has to give us the bear movement. You understand? Then from there we move to 1 day time frame. We need to move to 1 day time frame. Okay, this is our 1 day time frame guys. Remember, on this 1 day time frame guys, we get to understand that okay, the market was actually giving us an overall breakout and retest of this overall uptrend here, and this is a 90% that fail. Understand? So this is perfect. This is perfect as it's seen. So like from there we need to identify again perfectly this point, so we get to understand that this is our previous zone. You understand? Then from there, for now let me just remove this, but we get to see everything that is happening. Then let's move to forward time frame. On this one guys, this is clear enough that we have a gap here of which the market has to fill. You understand? So and again, what is happening currently, we get to understand that the market is actually coming to create a double bottom here. You understand? Because this could be a double bottom, as this is the first bottom. This one could be a double bottom when the market actually push a little bit to the below. You understand? And from there, we need to identify this point. As the market is pushing to the below side, it has been respecting this trend line. You understand? This is something that you need to look out for again. And again, the market has been respecting this trend line. And from there, we need to switch to 1 hour time frame. So on our 1 hour time frame, we get to see everything that is happening. That okay, from there, once the market actually touches this point here, or any signal later, the market has to push to the top. You understand? We're looking for more buying opportunities. Remember the reason of me buying at that point. It is because of the retest of the overall structure. And another thing is that the market is coming to create the double bottom, and the market has to fill the gap. That's my reasons of me buying at this point. Understand? So yeah, guys, on US30, guys, we're looking for more buying opportunities. But in overall, I feel like the market is too complete to here as the weekly updates. Understand? Because remember, there could be like stop signs. The market cannot just come actually push to the top immediately. Nah, it has to at least find time to breathe. You understand? Find time to breathe. You understand? Yeah, guys. But me, I'm just gonna go for this point. You understand? Okay, guys. US30, guys. We're looking for more buying opportunities. Let's go for Nasdaq. So I told you guys that these things, guys, they're not really moving the same as but the other one gives us the direction of the other. As you guys can see on US30, the market is actually going to create a double bottom. On Nasdaq, guys, the market it's already sitting on a double bottom. Understand? Of which this could actually move early. This one can move early now. Understand? So remember, guys, when you analyze, we start with our 1 minute frame. So looking at this, even the structure, guys, you can see that they are sitting on the same point, but yeah, the other one will definitely give us the direction of the other. So which means obviously even this drop, they did not move the same time. You understand? So looking at this point, guys, I feel like here this was our lowest point, actually our current lowest point. You understand? And from there, obviously we need to understand that, oh, okay, the market seems to be broken this point, this current lowest point. But that one, we need to understand that it is possible for the market to go back inside, or the market can just come to this point here and retest. Understand? But we need to read what we see, not what we think the market can do. That's one thing that you need to understand when it comes to market. You understand? So looking at this point, guys, I feel like we have a zone. So remember, from there we need to identify zones. So I feel like here we have a zone. The point that when the market touches the market, it has to give us the bigger movement. You understand? So from there, we have a zone here. We have a zone, and they all have gaps. Understand? That's what things that we need to understand. They all have gaps. From there, I feel like once it touches to this point here, it has to push to the top side. You understand? But from there, let me just switch to 4 hour time frame. Okay, on our 4 hour time frame, guys, we need to identify the trend that the market has been respecting once it pushes to the below side. So I feel like the market has been respecting this trend line. Even this one immediately here. From there, 1 hour time frame. Okay, guys, let me try to be fast. So I feel like, and as you know, later the market has to push to the top because of this point here. This could be a double bottom. You understand? So yeah, guys, on this one, guys, we're looking for more buying opportunities. Currently at this point, we can just buy now to New York session to fill the gap, and also to do what? To respect this double bottom here. You understand? Pushing to the top, meaning we're coming here. You understand? So yeah guys, on this one guys, on Nasdaq guys, we're looking for more buying opportunities than selling opportunities again. Understand? Okay guys, thank you guys for watching this video guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel guys. Keep on subscribing to the channel, and thanks for those that are keep on subscribing and liking the videos. Please keep on liking the videos and comment. Understand? So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this. Meet you guys on the other video guys.